This foldable cart is pretty awesome. It's pretty popular, so that's why we decided to go with it. And for storage and for keeping things moving in an assembly line, this has been working great. What's nice is when you don't need it anymore, you just pull up on that handle and it all comes together. You can store a bunch of these if you need to, or just store it by itself. Kind of stays put whenever you need to use it again. Pull it back out. Push that handle down, it kind of locks open. You're good to go. Nice opening in the front, rigidity in the back. Super lightweight. Really nice wheels that are swivel. Two of the wheels lock on this side. And when you pull it out of the box to use it for the first time, this is how it works, how it shows up. So you just take it out of the box, pull the handles apart, lock that one down, and you're using your new cart. Hope this helps.